Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the end of day 9. Well, I thought it will be getting easier day by day, but it's actually getting tougher day by day. So yeah, previously I was able to concentrate more. From yesterday, my concentration level is getting weaker. So yeah, I am not able to, focus on studies. I have no idea why, but I mean the exams are very near, so I will have to, improve myself. So out of the chapters that I planned, I was able to complete magnetism, real gases, limit continuity developability, and only few questions of AOD. So I will have to complete AOD again, and I was not able to complete P block any group. So I will have to do that again. So yep, I will try. I will have to improve myself. Well, my concentration is really getting weak now. So I have to figure that out. What is the reason behind it, and I will have to tackle it. I guess I need to, meditate more, cause that might be the problem. And yeah, from tomorrow I will try to, upload this video before 6 a.m. in the morning. I know I was late from the previous 2 days. That will not repeat. I am pretty sure that I will be able to upload this video by 6 a.m. tomorrow. So yeah, stay focused. I am not focused right now, but you guys please stay focused and yeah, give your best. Give as much time possible for studies. So thank you.